Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well. Fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you mastering direct debits, how to set up and manage automatic payments 2026. So without wasting any time, let's just get right in the video. In order to do it, first what you need to do is, if you are doing it for the Wells Fargo, then what you need to do is just simply head over and open up the Wells Fargo application and log into your account. Then from the home screen, what you need to do is tap on the pay and transfer option on the bottom. Then once you're inside pay, what you need to do is select bill pay option. And if you are setting up a credit card autopay, you might find autopay under your credit card account screen. The next is to simply tap on pay or add pay option and search for company, example your electricity company, etc. Enter account details exactly as shown on the bill, and then the next is to simply tap on add pay. Now once that's done, what you need to do is schedule a recurring automatic payment by selecting the pay you added, choose set up recurring payment, enter amount, start date and frequency, example monthly. Then lastly, once that's done, all you gotta do is tap on confirm on the bottom and you have set the payment automatically each month. Now if you want to do it for your Chase Bank, then what you need to do here is simply head over and open up the Chase Bank application and then log into your account. Once logged into your account, on the bottom you have to tap on the pay and transfer option once again. Then once that's done, here what you need to do is simply tap on pay bills. If you want paying bills, then you'll find an option that says Chase credit cards there. Simply tap on your credit card and select auto pay. Now if you are tapping on the pay bills, simply tap on tap bills, and here you'll find an option that says set up auto pay. Simply select that. Now all you gotta do is choose amount, date and bank account to pay from, and then once that's done, simply tap on confirm on the bottom of your screen. Now if you are doing it for Bank of America, then what you need to do is just simply log into your account. Once you're logged into your account, what you need to do here is simply tap on the pay and transfer option on the bottom of your screen. And once that's done, here what you need to do is select bill pay or select your credit card, and then once that's done, you'll find an option to set the automatic payment. Either you can add a company or a person by selecting the add a company or person, or simply tap on the card on the top. Then once that's done, what you need to do next is choose amount, pay date and account to pay from. Then once that's done, all you gotta do is simply tap on confirm, and once you do that, you have successfully set up automatic payments for the selected bank. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.